To the show. My name is Joseph Earl McPeek Esquire III. It's my pleasure to bring to you Truebones Robots. Thank you, Jesus, for being there always. He is the foundation for this operation. Thank you, Minnie. You too. She's over there somewhere. Anyways, guys, we got a full show. We got a real special show for you because we get to name our price. Just a minute. Yes. That's true. Because you see, folks, just a minute. Just a minute. Because you see, folks, life ain't cheap. And life ain't free. Sure, they sell you the idea of freedom, but there is no freedom. Where's the freedom? Do you own your house? Or does the bank own your house? It's just a question. Don't get mad at me. I asked you a question. Do you own your house or does the bank own your house? Get it straight. Don't come at me like you're the landlord until you get that straight. Okay, Mom. God dang. Oh, that was the world's best 2-minute monologue if I ever heard one, guys. Now look. Check this out. We're going to make robot motions and make motions move. Yes, that's true. But we are also going to do something else. And that something else is, let me think for a second. Oh, talk about the universe. Because I have the perfect setup now. I can now explain to you why I am worth so much. I am worth literally my own weight in gold. Why? Because I'm made from stars. Literally. So if I'm made from stars, that means me as a human, as a species, as a race, I am worth my weight in gold. That's the way I look at it. Okay, guys, we're going to start at the top. It's easy as ABC and 1, 2, 3, like Michael Jackson said. Hee hee. You are placed in a place in the universe, and you should be glad and you should be happy because you are the luckiest one. You are. You are so lucky. Because you see, folks, you are between the beam and the shadow. That's all there is to it. There's either beam or there's shadow. Or you. Okay? So what comes first? Light. Light is unmovable. Light don't move. Quit telling people that. Okay, here's a perfect example of why. Oh, I forgot the mic over here. I'm sorry, guys. Here's a perfect example. Did I turn off the echoes? I hope it did. Did I turn off the echoes, damn it? Probably not. Jojo. Alright, sorry about that, folks. So, let me give you a good example of 2 tricks in the universe that's tricked you, tricked Einstein, tricked me, tricked everybody. Okay? Here's the first one. Light don't move. If it did, you know those Duck Hunt in Nintendo? Those don't shoot light. Those wait for the screen to hit you. You are the duck. Light don't move. You are the duck in that game. Think about it. I know you want your money back now, don't you? They made you think you had a weapon. You didn't have no weapon. That thing didn't shoot no light. It didn't shoot no photons. No. All it did was wait for matter to move into its I. And that's how we move. Light don't move. Matter moves into light. So guys, I know it's going to be a long haul. It's going to be a super long haul on this physics stuff. You're not going to get it, but let me start here. Light don't move. And you are placed second to light. And you can never get behind a shadow. So it goes light, the unmovable, matter, you, and then the shadow. So let's start there, folks. 1, 2, 3. Light, you, shadow. You are behind the beam. See how I'm behind the beam, guys? Look, I'm behind the beam, but I can reach into the light. That's because I'm positioned right here. Light is in front of me. I'm here, and the shadow is behind me. No, I'm not a comedian. I'm not a comedian, guys. See, I don't want to do this if nobody's going to listen. Because that's humanity's downfall, is if you don't listen, then that's the end of the story. If you don't listen to me, folks, right now. Einstein was wrong. Light does not go that fast. In fact, it can't move at all. We are placed precisely in this universe, the moving universe, and it goes light, then it goes space and motion, and then it's us in that space and motion. So that's why there's a shadow. Think about it. You got light, you got us, and you got a shadow. Why can you not get behind the shadow? I don't know. Ask the shadow. Don't ask me. But you cannot get behind your shadow. You can only be behind the beam. But because you see, the shadow is not moving. Only you and the matter in space is moving. That's why you can see it. So get this. Right now, even though it looks like Minnie's sitting still and her tail's wagging, me and her are whizzing around the planet at like 15,000 miles per hour, but speed adds. Now, when you add that to the galaxy and then the galaxy's arm and then the galaxy itself, all that is motion on motion on motion on motion. So, in fact, Minnie is not sitting still. She's whizzing around the universe. So am I, so are you. And light is sitting still, and that's what enables the whole thing to work and compute. Because wherever there's light, there's matter. There has to be, because that's the compute. Okay? So light is white, motion is black, and compute is gray. That concludes our first masterclass on physics. Okay, folks, we're going to change the world together. Science has failed us. Forget science. Forget math. No, I'm going to tell you why you can't even measure. You can't even use math to measure. You can't use a clock. You can't count on a clock. You can't use a measure, and you don't need a measure. Okay, guys, I know that sounds pretty darn far out, don't it? But I'm pretty serious about this stuff. You don't even need a measure. It's all common sense. Okay, guys, thank you so much. We're going to come back and try to explain it. And, you know, I've thought about this for weeks. How am I going to explain this? How am I going to drop this? How am I going to drop this on the world without making me look and sound insane? Then I thought, well, start with the trick. You think you're sitting still? You're not. You're whizzing through space at supersonic speeds. Trust me. You're living in a moving world, and matter moves with the move. So that's mo on mo. 2D times 2D is 3D. We're going to start there with the Minkowski Cube. The Minkowski Cube is the key to the whole darn thing. Okay, guys? I'm being serious. You're going to love this. Thank you.